Guys, today we're going to be checking out how bad the floor is under the nasty linoleum and shag carpet in this 1962 Cadillac ECTO-1 replica. Let's get into it.
Damn, it's cold this morning, boy. What is it, about 25? What the fuck?
I just realized that the front seat is on a swivel and it's a captain's chair. It's meant to rotate around. This dude went all out on this thing. It's in my side. I was about to say something nice about this car, but I'm fucking gonna burn it. Back is still attached to my vertebrae. Take a look at this. This is some shit, dude. All of this, I guess this must have been original decking, but oh my gosh. I mean, it actually doesn't look that bad from underneath because I did look at it earlier. It doesn't look terrible underneath, but if this is stock, then I mean, I think that used to be a nest of some sort of, oh great, that's through. I'm gonna have to cover that with something before it goes into long-term storage. That's the goal of this, is I need to make sure there is no open areas for anything to get into this car through, because I want it to be 100% sealed. That's the goal, and I don't want anything anywhere they can hide like that. I want nothing hidden or exposed before this goes into long-term storage. So let's get back into it. I hope my back likes me for the rest of this afternoon.
Damn, it's cold this morning, boy. What is it, about 25? What the fuck?
have kicked a lot of butt and we found a lot of rot. This was part that I just couldn't see. I'm glad I found it now, so it means there's nothing that's going to be up in there later. I just need to find a way to block it off. I'll probably just do something off camera. It won't really be interesting.
I just wanna be the one you love. I just wanna be the one you love. I just wanna be the one you love.